Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to put text above an image using Elementor. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you create visually appealing page layouts with properly positioned headings and images. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find all your main navigation options. Click on Pages, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Page. This will open up a fresh page where you can start building your layout. Now, type in a title for your page. You can call it something simple like Test Page, just to help you identify it later. After you've entered your title, look for the button that says Edit with Elementor and click it. This will launch the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens for designing your page layout. Once Elementor loads, you'll see the editing panel on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find all the widgets you can use. Look for the image widget and drag it onto your canvas. This is the foundation of what we're building today. After you've placed the widget, you'll be prompted to select an image. You can either upload files directly from your computer or browse through your existing media library to choose an image you've already uploaded. Once you've made your selection, click Select to confirm it. Next comes the important part, positioning your text above this image. Drag a heading widget into the new container, but make sure you place it above the image widget. This order is crucial because it determines how your elements stack on the page. The heading needs to sit on top to appear above the image in your final layout. After placing the heading, you'll want to customize the text itself. Look for the title field in the widget settings and edit the heading text to whatever you want it to say. This is where you can add your page title, section header, or any descriptive text that should appear above your image. Now, let's fine-tune the appearance. Navigate to the Advanced tab in the heading widget settings. Here you have control over the spacing around your text. You can adjust the margin and padding based on your preferences. Playing with these settings will help you achieve the exact spacing you want between your heading and the image below it. To make sure your text looks centered and professional, head over to the Align Self tab and set the text alignment to center. This ensures your heading is positioned nicely above the image with proper alignment. Before you finalize everything, it's always a good idea to see how your page actually looks. Click the eye icon in the upper right corner of the page to preview your work. This gives you a real-world view of how visitors will see your text positioned above the image. And that's it. You've successfully positioned text above an image using Elementor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.